Good evening, everybody. The Daily Trader. It is May 16th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir coming back down 30 cents at 804. Post-market, we are even, Steven. So let's look at what we have here. Palantir was in a downward channel. Let me find this highlighter thing. So this is the downward channel it was in. And the stock was weaker than the channel and went down. And last Friday, it came back up into the channel, and now it seems like it wants to come back out of it again. So this is very hard to see. Your guess is as good as mine. I would tend to see that we closed outside of the channel again, but this is so close that we are going to have to wait a little bit. What is not so nice is that we have the body of the candle, which is the colored part of the candle, which is the little rectangle right here. So this little rectangle is at the bottom of the trading range. So we traded during the whole day from 843 down to 801. So that's the full range. And we opened right here, came up and then closed way down. So this is making a little wick at the top. So when you have a little wick at the top and no wick at the bottom, this is showing us that the sellers are basically winning. So the sellers prevented the stock to go higher pretty much that it went on Friday. So it's not a good news if you want the stock to go up, to have the sellers in the powerful position. Let's look at the 1 hour chart to understand more how it happened during the day. So this is the first candle of the day. So the first candle of the day was pretty decent. Nice green candle, and we have the wick at the bottom and no wick at the top. So the buyers were in charge. Then second hour, we lost some ground. So all the big red rectangle that you see is the ground that we lost from the sellers. So we could not get the price high, and they pushed the price down. We have a little wick at the bottom, so they pushed it down and we won it back a little bit towards the end of that hour, which made us go green a little bit, but the green is not as high as where we started that red here. So we could not go higher than where we were, and we could not even go at the same level. So the high of this candle is lower than the high of the previous candle. The prices are going down. And then we went pretty much sideways, and now we see the price coming down again. So we see the weakening right here. So stochastic is still above 60. So maybe this is temporary. So not all is lost, but I would be a bit concerned right here. Going back to the daily chart, stochastic at 23. So stochastic, let me do this. Let me arrange this. So stochastic at 23, all of the indicators are in the tank. The stock is holding for dear life right here. It's going to be interesting to see tomorrow if we lose that downward channel support. If we lose the support, $6 is in the realm of possibilities. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member, and you can click on my TradingView affiliate link if you want to use this tool and save some money. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.